Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the 2021 Ford F150 grille. Begin by disconnecting the battery and gathering tools, including a 10 mm socket, plastic trim tools, and safety gloves. Remove the top screws, then release the plastic clips along the perimeter using gentle prying motions. Keep all hardware organized in labeled containers. Check behind the grille for wiring harnesses and sensor clips before fully removing the assembly to avoid damage. With the hood open, start by loosening and removing the visible top screws and bolts securing the grille. Carefully insert trim tools under clips and pry outward, working methodically from one side to the other. Keep a hand supporting the grille as lower clips release to prevent it from dropping. Once loose, reach behind and disconnect any electrical connectors or sensors, then lift the grille away and set it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step truck tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for garage work because it keeps drinks cold and fits in most cup holders, so you won't spill while leaning under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want convenience on the go. Now let's get back to the video. If plastic tabs break, replace them with OEM or reinforced aftermarket clips matched to the F150. Stubborn clips often respond to a light spray of penetrating lubricant and careful rocking to free them without further damage. For alignment, reinstall fasteners loosely, adjust the grille for even gaps around the bumper and hood, then tighten bolts progressively to maintain fit. Take your time to avoid forcing parts and causing costly paint or trim damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.